Hello everybody, I'm Dean Takahashi, lead writer for GamesBeat at VentureBeat. We're here live from GTC 2024 talking with Christine Osick from Amazon Robotics and Rev Leberedian from NVIDIA. Welcome. And Christine, let's start with you. What is your role with Amazon Robotics?
My role with Amazon Robotics is to provide simulation tools and operational tools, digital twins, that help to optimize and develop our robots. Our industrial robots at Amazon are essential in delivering speed, price, and selection to our customers.
Yeah, I've seen some of those robots. They're pretty fascinating there. So why is Amazon Robotics participating in GTC this year?
We've been working closely with NVIDIA and with Rev here and Omniverse team as we're advancing our simulation technology. We work with a variety of simulators, including in-house developed NVIDIA Omniverse, FlexSim, Drake, just to name a few. And OpenUSD and the Omniverse platform have been essential, and so is our relationship with Rev.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And Christine, how is Amazon using simulation for warehouse automation and optimization? And why is simulation important to Amazon Robotics?
Simulation is important. We have a range of use cases that we cover. We simulate robotic work cells, create emulator digital twins of those for developing and test. We build solution simulations that actually simulate a highly automated site. We use those to design and optimize those new building processes.
And Rev, switch to you. So tell me about NVIDIA's Omniverse news at GTC, and what did you announce here?
The really big news is that we're taking Omniverse, which is a developer platform, into the cloud to make it really easy for developers to integrate into their existing applications or build new applications where their users are at, whether that's in the web or on desktop applications or whatever platform that they use. The other big thing that comes out of this is ISVs, developers that make software for others, can easily integrate our technologies now into their offerings. And there's many announcements around many of these ISVs, including Siemens, Ansys, Dassault Systems, 3D Excite, Rockwell Automation, Cadence, and many others.
And Amazon Robotics here too.
And Amazon Robotics is also a great developer. In this case, they're an end customer that uses the software themselves for their own purposes, but they are probably the most advanced developer building robotics simulation and systems on top of Omniverse.
And then who are some of the customers that will leverage this technology, and what are they using it for?
They're using it primarily for simulating digital twins for industrial applications, particularly the new wave of applications and solutions that are related to artificial intelligence. Because of the new set of technologies that have come about with AI, things that were previously impossible with robotics and robotics intelligence are now becoming possible. In order to create these AIs, we need to have virtual worlds for them to learn in and virtual worlds to test them in before we deploy them into the real world. So we're seeing this in warehouses like Amazon's, in factories, in building cities, or any sort of large, complex physical system.
I guess we're only 14 months into generative AI here, and yet it's already playing this role in digital twins and virtual worlds.
Absolutely. What we've seen with generative AI in this 14 months after the ChatGPT moment is generative AI that's largely in the realm of abstract ideas. These are LLMs that were trained on all of the information on the internet, which is text and maybe some images. The next step is to ground these AIs in the physical world, have them understand 3D space and the physics of the real world so that they can perceive the world and make changes to it or help us design new things inside this world.
And for Christine, does Amazon Robotics use Omniverse or USD for its digital twin projects, and how are you using them?
We do. We use them anywhere from like a highly automated site that we need to virtualize and optimize, and we also use them in our perception systems. We have AI within the perception systems, trained models that rely on both the real-world data that we collect as well as the generated data, and we use Omniverse and USD to generate our synthetic data.
Awesome. Well, thank you. Thanks for talking here, and thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more sessions in our GTC catalog.